look how pretty. Ooh! Wow, there was a hole in there, eh? Okay, well, even if that fails, we still keep going. Oh! Okay, well, I guess I'll just eat some of that off my finger. Hi everyone, welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. So I love cooking and I love cooking all different types of things, but today I'm going to be baking some cupcakes, and to help me with that I have my friend here, Google Home. Now before I get my hands dirty, I hope that you guys would take the time out to subscribe to our channel and please click the bell icon to stay notified, because we do release videos on a weekly basis. So as I mentioned, we are going to be baking some cupcakes today with the help of our lovely friend Google Home here. Now we can either have Google search the recipes for us, or we can search the recipes ourselves and send it to Google Home. So I'm going to be showing you both ways. Hey Google, find me some cupcake recipes.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Simple Vanilla Cupcakes from Genius Kitchen. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Great, let's get started. Would you like to prepare the ingredients or skip to the instructions?
Yes, prepare ingredients.
There are 8 ingredients. I'll read them one by one. Let me know when you're ready for the next ingredient. The first ingredient is 2 cups flour.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, cancel the recipe.
All right, done.
So I'm going to search up the recipe myself and find my favorite one and send it to Google Home, and we're going to start baking. So we're going to go ahead and search our recipe on Google. I'm going to put in the search bar cupcake recipes, and you'll notice here that there's a whole bunch of recipes, and underneath them it will either say send to Google Home or it won't. So now I see here there's this first one that I'm liking, vanilla cupcakes. Those are my favorite. I'm going to go ahead and send that one to my Google Home, and when you're ready, you say start recipe to your Google Home, and you can go ahead and start baking. All right guys, I am so excited to bake here with you, and I have all my ingredients ready to go, so let's get started. Hey Google, start recipe.
I have a recipe you got from Genius Kitchen called Simple Vanilla Cupcakes. Is that the right one?
Yes.
Great, let's get started. Would you like to prepare the ingredients or skip to the instructions?
Prepare ingredients.
There are 8 ingredients. I'll read them one by one. Let me know when you're ready for the next ingredient. The first ingredient is 2 cups flour.
So we got our 2 cups of flour here. And I love how she just waits and pauses while I do this, because I'm not really that great at baking. I'm a cooker, not a baker, so this is perfect for me. So we got our 2 cups of flour. Look at me making a mess already. Okay. I want to make sure that's leveled out. Definitely need some more flour in there. Okay. Next. Hey Google, next.
The second ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon salt.
Okay, so we have our salt ready over here, and we have our measuring spoons. Hey Google, next.
2 teaspoons baking powder.
Butter baking powder, all ready to go. Hey Google, next.
1/2 cup butter, softened.
1.5 cup of butter. We have that ready to go. Hey Google, next.
3/4 cup sugar. If you like your cupcakes very sweet, add a little more.
3/4 cups of sugar. Oh, Actually, you know what? I'll put that in later. Hey Google, next.
2 eggs.
Okay, so we got our eggs ready to go here. Hey Google, next.
1 cup milk.
Got our milk. We're gonna make some lactose-free cupcakes here. And milk. There we go. Hey Google, next. Hey Google, next.
Nothing's playing right now.
Hey Google, next.
The last ingredient is 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, optional. That's it. Let me know when you're ready to start.
Obviously, I'm gonna get some vanilla in there. Ready to go. Hey Google, I'm ready.
There's 5 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step, preheat oven to 375 F or 190 C. Line muffin cups with papers.
Okay, so I've already got my oven preheated. Hey Google, next. I'm so excited.
Second step, cream butter and sugar till light and fluffy. Beat in eggs one at a time.
Cream, butter, and sugar. So I'm going to be using this bowl right here to mix everything. Hey Google, repeat.
Second step, cream butter and sugar till light and fluffy. Beat in eggs
Butter
one
and
at a time.
sugar. Hey Google, how much sugar?
3/4 cup sugar. If you like your cupcakes very sweet, add a little more.
Oh, of course I love it sweet. Yeah, let's see here. 3/4 of sugar. That's a lot of sugar, but not enough for me. I mean, don't you guys love it sweet? So I'm definitely gonna add, I'll probably add 2 extra tablespoons of sugar. I know, right? Call me crazy. That's how, you know, we make it extra delicious. You don't tell anybody that secret. Hey Google, repeat.
Second step, cream butter and sugar till light and fluffy. Beat in eggs one at a time.
Okay, cream that sugar and butter. And we're gonna crack our eggs in here. Oh, she said one at a time. Obviously, I don't know how to listen to her instructions. Okay, I'm actually going to use my whisk now. I am so excited. Why do I have to wait to bake this? Why can't I just eat the finished product? You know what I'd be so happy about? If Google could actually just make food for me. I mean, how great would that be? Rather than me sitting here and putting in all this hard work. Okay. Whisk this all together. Google just wants to put me to work. That's it. She just wants to tell me what to do. This is her telling me what to do. Usually it's the opposite way around, eh? Okay. I feel like this is child labor. Getting my arm workout. My trainer didn't get that in yesterday. All right. Okay. That is all done. Maybe let's whisk it up a little bit more just to make sure. Hey Google, next.
Add flour, mix with baking powder and salt, alternating with milk. Beat well. Stir in vanilla.
Okay, that was way too much information at once, but okay, so add flour. Pretty sure I'm not supposed to add all of it at once because it's probably gonna splatter back at my face. And she said mix with baking powder. Hey Google, how much baking powder?
2 teaspoons baking powder.
Okay, 2 teaspoons. We got our baking powder right here. Baking powder is actually very good for your skin too, guys. It's really good for breakouts. Okay, so we got 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Hey Google, repeat.
To do that on Google Play Music, you'll need to sign up for a subscription in the Play Music app.
Hey Google, repeat.
Add flour mixed with baking powder and salt, alternating with milk. Beat well. Stir in vanilla.
Hey Google, how much salt?
1/2 teaspoon salt.
1.5 teaspoon of salt. Hey Google, how much salt?
1/2 teaspoon salt.
Oh, that means half teaspoon. Obviously, I don't bake. Oops. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure I didn't miss any step in that one step, which had like 5 different steps in it. Hey Google, repeat.
Add flour mixed with baking powder and salt, alternating with milk. Beat well. Stir in vanilla.
Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot the milk. Okay. So, I mean, I love cupcakes. What do you guys like? I would love to hear, I mean, when it comes down to even cooking, what do you guys like to cook or bake? I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below if you could leave that for me. When it comes to cooking, I honestly personally love to cook kebabs. All right, so now that it's mixed up perfectly and it's nice and smooth, the consistency, we are going to go ahead and pour those babies into our little cups here. Look at that. Would you have known that you'd be learning how to bake on Home Automation, Baking 101 with Anika? So we got all that in and we are ready to scoop these babies out. So you want to make sure when you are pouring it in these cups that they are going in only 3/4 way in, because you don't want to fill them up more than 3/4 since they will bake and they're probably going to go over it and ruin your beautiful pan. All right, and here comes our last one. So exciting because they're all ready to go in and be baked. Just needs a little bit more. Maybe that was a little too much more. Okay, so sometimes I can be a little messy, so we just clean that up. And we're all good. We're all ready to put it in the oven. Right. So we preheated our oven just like the way Google Home has told us to. And now we play the waiting game. Hey Google, repeat.
Let cool in pans. This was the last step. Enjoy.
Oh my God, I am so hungry and I'm so excited. Hey Google, turn on cabinet lights.
You got it. Turning the cabinet lights on.
Oh my God, that smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell how great this aroma is. Wow. I think for somebody who's baking cupcakes for the first time, I think I did a pretty good job. And they smell absolutely delicious and they are ready for some icing. Wow, that was the longest 15 minutes of my life. But now they are finally cooled down. You want to make sure they cool down before you put the icing on so the icing does not run all over. And we actually made our own icing too. We made chocolate ice cream instead of vanilla because I changed my mind, which I am free to do because it's a free country, right? And we're gonna go ahead. Ooh, look how pretty. Ooh! Wow, there was a hole in there, eh? Okay, well, even if that fails, we still keep going. Oh! Okay, well, I guess I'll just eat some of that off my finger. That's really good. I'm gonna go ahead, maybe put this on with a spoon, and I'll be right back, guys. So the world hasn't ended yet, guys. We are gonna go ahead with our spoon, our savior here. We're just gonna scoop out our icing and lay that on top. I'm gonna go ahead, put these all over my cupcakes, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so we have lathered on our icing, and I know the icing may not look as pretty as you may think it should, but either way, it's gonna get mixed up in my tummy anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my sprinkles on because I love my cupcakes, and I'm ready for some sprinkles. Ooh, sprinkles fall everywhere but on the cupcake. Like how funny is that? All right, we are finito, and these are beautiful cupcakes. So I had so much fun baking with our Google Home, our wonderful guy right here. And if you guys would use Google Home, please leave me a comment below letting me know what you guys would bake or cook. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and please don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, and check out our website, HomeAutomationX.com. I will see you guys next time.